Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video of tech and gadget unboxing. For today's video guys, we're going to unbox and test an external clip-on microphone which you can use for your DSLR camera and your smartphones. This device will supposedly improve the audio quality of your video recordings. But before anything else guys, I'm Luis, your dimpled engineer. And of course, I'm with my dog. What? Who's this? And this is my YouTube channel. So okay guys, for this video, we're going to unbox and test this external clip-on microphone from BOYA. It's the BOYA-M1 Lavalier clip-on external microphone. So okay guys, I got this BOYA BY-M1 clip-on microphone from Lazada during the March 27 birthday anniversary of Lazada. I got this for I think around 450 pesos or roughly $8. So it's quite affordable. So, okay guys, let's proceed with unboxing. So okay guys, here it is. Let's just read the writings on the box. So it's from BOYA. Superb sound for presentations and video recordings. So it's compatible with smartphones, tablets, desktop PCs or laptops, your DSLRs and camcorders. And for the pickup pattern, it's omnidirectional condenser microphone. Alright. So here are the other specifications. You can pause the video guys if you want to read this. It's okay, let's open the box. Alright. Nothing more inside. Okay guys, it comes with this warranty card and this manual. Wow, and guys, it's in English. Alright. So okay guys, it comes with this carrying bag. I don't know if this is real leather or leatherette. Okay, inside the box is this silica gel. These are the accessories. So this is the clip-on for your, if you want to clip the mic on your shirts, collars, sleeves. There. This is the windscreen foam, and this is an adapter, 3.5 mm to what's this, 6.5 jack, and the battery. Since it's a condenser mic, I think it needs external power. And of course guys, this is the mic itself. Okay guys, this is the condenser microphone, the capsule itself. Okay, we have this control module. Okay, if you want to use it for smartphones, you'll put it in the off position and click it upwards if you want to use it for your DSLR cameras. And it's very long cable. We'll try out later how long this is. And this is your 3.5 mm TRSS jack. So guys, I have here a regular headphone jack from my old Samsung. Oh, so since The 3.5 mm jack from this BOYA microphone is basically the same as the headphone connectors for your smartphones. So you can plug this directly to your smartphones if your smartphones still has the headphone jack connector. So no need for adapters. All right. So guys, without any more further ado, let's try it with my Samsung S21. So okay guys, I'm here inside the bedroom. So this is the quietest, if there's such a word, quietest place here in the house. So inside the bedroom. Okay. Once again, mic test, sound check. 1, 2, 3. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So let me know again on the comment section down below, how do you find the performance of the BOYA BY-M1 external microphone indoors? So okay guys, welcome back. I'm here outside. I'm very near a very busy area. Actually, this is the South Luzon Expressway here in Metro Manila, Philippines. And this newly built Skyway, this is the Skyway 3. Newly built Skyway 3 here in the south of Metro Manila, Philippines. We are simulating a very busy area just in case you want to use the BOYA BY-M1. If you're a travel vlogger or a field reporter and you want to improve the audio quality. So okay, what can you say about the performance of the BOYA M1 BY-M1 if you're outside? So okay guys, let me know on the comment section down below, what can you say about the performance of this mic for outdoor use. So I'll just remove my face mask so you'll have an idea how this omnidirectional microphone performs outside. So once again, this is the South Luzon Expressway and the newly built Skyway 3 here in the south of Metro Manila. So on to our next test. So okay guys, for a more extreme test, I am here on the side streets. So let's check if my voice, my sound, this is still audible despite of the motorcycles of the cars passing by. So again, let me know on the comment section down below, how do you find the performance of the BOYA M1 BY-M1 external microphone? The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So okay guys, for our next test, I'm here in front of our house, our front yard, to test the performance of this mic when it comes to a little background noise. So someone is doing some masonry works over there. Okay, how do you find my voice? It's still audible. So the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog near the river bank. Sound check, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, sound check. So sound check, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, Sound check, 1, 2, 3, mic test. So okay guys, for our final test, we will see how far can we go with this very long cable of this external microphone. Okay. So okay guys, this is the farthest I can go without pulling the cable. So if you want to do unboxing of big boxes like refrigerators, electric bikes, cars, where you are going to be a little far away from your camera, and of course you want yourself to be heard during that unboxing, so you might want to consider this BOYA BY-M1 microphone instead of buying more expensive wireless microphone, because once again this microphone is just around 450 pesos, or I think $8. So here you go guys. I think I'm around 3 or 4 meters away from my camera, so this is the farthest I can go. So let me know again on the comment section down below, how do you find the performance of this BOYA BY-M1 external microphone. And once again guys, thank you for watching my channel. If you find this video helpful, kindly click the like button below. Come on guys, click it. And guys, if this is the first time you're watching my channel, I would really appreciate it if you will subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, so you will be the first one to know whenever I upload videos. So once again guys, thank you very much. Always stay home, stay safe, be healthy, and God bless everyone. See you on my next video.